Hey y'all, so it's that time of year again. It's that time of year where people just start slapping and abusing watermelons. I have to put out a PSA on the watermelon assault because y'all slapping a watermelon, what do it do? How do it help you determine how ripe the watermelon is? Okay, I'm going to show y'all a better way. Okay, a better way. So I have two options in my Food Lion. They have seeded and seedless. I've heard some people don't like the seedless watermelon. They got something against them. Okay, and so they only do the seeded watermelon. I don't know. They say the seedless watermelon not real. What do y'all say? Okay, so when you slap the watermelon, I don't know what you're trying to hear. I don't know if it's supposed to echo or what, but that's not what I do. Okay, that's not the best way. So of course you're going to avoid any melons with any defects on the skin. Okay, and then what I like to do is turn the watermelons over, and I like to look for one that has a dark green skin but also a big yellow spot. Now that yellow spot, especially if it's nice and deep yellow, it's going to let you know that that watermelon sat on the ground and ripened on the vine. Many people do not know this, but watermelons do not continue to ripen after they are picked. They're not going to get any sweeter or any juicier than the day that they are picked. So you need to get one that actually was vine ripened. What they will continue to do after being picked is getting softer. That's why if you take a watermelon that's been sitting for a while, sometimes the flesh can start getting a little mealy or even a little bit mushy. If you like to get a seedless watermelon, which I'm personally not even against, I've realized that the ones at my local Food Lion don't always have a yellow spot. I just go for one that has a dark green skin and then has like a pale spot to where that watermelon was in contact with the ground, because where it is in contact with the ground, it is not going to be developing stripes. When I took my watermelon home and cut into it, y'all, it was juicy, it was sweet, it was really tasty. Let me know if this tip helped you guys out, and I'll see you next time at Kamira's Kitchen. Goodbye, and God bless.